Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're taking a close look at the best SnowDogg plow lights on the market. The SnowDogg Illuminator LED plow lights. Whether you're battling a snowstorm in the middle of the night or clearing your driveway before dawn, these lights promise to deliver outstanding performance and durability. Let's dive into why they're considered the gold standard for snowplow lighting. First off, the SnowDogg Illuminator is designed to be twice as bright as standard halogen lights, and it does so using only half the power. That's a massive efficiency boost. You're getting more visibility and less strain on your vehicle's electrical system, which is crucial when you're out in the cold and every bit of power matters. These lights use high-powered LEDs that are engineered to last for years without needing replacement. Snowplow operators know the hassle of burnt-out bulbs in the middle of a shift, so this is a game-changer. You install these once and pretty much forget about them. They're maintenance light and designed for real-world use in punishing winter conditions. One of the standout features here is the active defrosting technology. These aren't just lights, the lenses themselves are heated. And we're not talking about uneven heating that leaves you with weird foggy bands or streaks across the lens. The entire surface is evenly heated, eliminating the dreaded icing and fogging that can plague traditional lights. That means you keep maximum visibility, no matter how harsh the storm gets. Compatibility is another major plus. These Illuminator LED lights work with all new and existing SnowDogg plows. So if you're upgrading your setup or replacing old headlights, you don't have to worry about fitment issues or complex installations. They're designed to slide right into your current rig, no headaches involved. However, there's one important compatibility note. These lights do not work with reverse ground systems. So if you're running a system that uses reverse polarity, these aren't the lights for you. For everyone else, it's plug and play with brilliant results. Between the long-lasting LEDs, the smart defrost tech, and the overall rugged design, this is clearly a product made with professional-grade quality in mind. All in all, if you're looking for the best snowplow lighting system out there, the SnowDogg Illuminator LED plow lights are hard to beat. They're powerful, efficient, smart, and built for the long haul. This is a serious upgrade for anyone who plows snow regularly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this helped you make an informed decision, hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews. And let us know in the comments what product you want us to break down next. Stay safe out there, and keep those headlights bright.